So how are you guys? In this video, I will teach you everything from making a thumbnail to uploading on Amazon. First of all, I am generating images from my prompts using ChatGPT, and I will keep its ratio at 1:1. Now I will explain further after downloading all the pictures. You should save all these images in one folder. Now, open the Amazon KDP cover calculator and follow these steps, and save the template it shows you because we will use it to make the cover. Open Canva, click on Custom Size, and paste this exact same resolution. Now come to this website, the link is in the description, and set the margin to 113px. Drop all your pictures here. On the other side, paste the template you downloaded into Canva. Now go back to PagePerfector, go to Edit Image, select Stretch, and Apply to All so it looks right. Select the KDP Bleed Protection option and then export it. Now I have pasted all this text into this file so I can tell the AI to create content. Now I will enter this prompt along with information about the book. Now, keep pasting what the AI has generated one by one, and this section of yours will be completed. Now I will enter this prompt along with information about the book, so the cover photo is correct. I've included the author and book name in the prompt, which you can change. Now, follow me. Upload the file that was exported from PagePerfector. After that, we also need to create a cover photo now. Put these two prompts one by one into ChatGPT, or whatever your favorite tool is, and then upload those two photos onto Canva. Now, place the one with the author's name on the right side and place the other one on the left side. Then export the PDF and upload this exact PDF into the cover photo section on Amazon. Write same to same in the AI-generated content section. Now I will click Launch Preview to check if it's correct. Select the price and then upload it. If your first book has also been uploaded, then like this video, and all the links have been put in the description.